Let's take a look at how to use Ahrefs for finding high CPC keywords. So you can see that we've got Phoenix roofers here. We've got a bunch of keywords with higher cost per clicks. Of course, we can sort these just by clicking on this drop down here. It's going to sort from highest to lowest. So Phoenix area roofers is actually the highest cost per click keyword on Google Ads. And some of these don't actually have data, which probably means they're not really getting ads run on them much. But in general, high cost per click keywords they tend to be a good thing. Most people don't see it that way because it costs a lot of money. But Google Ads is an auction, right? So if somebody's willing to pay $40 for a click on this keyword, probably means they're making some sales from the clicks that are coming from that keyword. Otherwise, they wouldn't keep advertising on that keyword. So once you have Ahrefs set up, it is a paid tool, so you have to get an account and everything. But I like to just come over here to the Keywords Explorer, type in just a general keyword, like if you're a roofer in Phoenix, type in Phoenix roofers. If you're a plumber in Los Angeles, type in Los Angeles plumbers, etc. And then just click search. That's going to give us kind of an overview of this keyword. It'll also just give us the cost per click for this keyword right here. And then I just click on this view all 31. And that takes us over to this page where it's basically all the related keywords for this main keyword up here. We can switch to phrase match if we want, which might not get us all that much different here, but you can test switching between these two to see if it changes the keywords that come up. And like I was showing you, if you just click on this row, it will show you least to most expensive cost per click as well as most to least expensive cost per click. And then you can also sort through cost per click right here. Excuse me. So if you do cost per click, say you want anything that's $20 to $40 per click, or say $20 to $50 per click, then you'll need to click show results. And then that's going to show us this one keyword that's the most expensive. But that's kind of getting us limited information here. So the other thing I'll do is I'll go and I'll search that keyword on Google. And then I'll look and find the top ranked websites. So that would be Phoenix Roofing and Lions Roofing. And then, excuse me, I'll just put those into the search bar up here and click search. And then it's going to allow us to see kind of an overview of what's going on with this website, this competitor website that's already ranking. And then if we click on this organic keywords here, it's going to pull up all the keywords that they're ranking for currently. And then of course we can filter that by cost per click. So residential flat roof contractors would potentially be a high-end keyword that we could go after. Roofing companies, free estimates near me. Tempe, Arizona roofing company, free roof estimates, on and on and on and on and on. Of course, you can export this data and analyze it in more depth, to create a list of keywords that you might want to target. And then I would just rinse and repeat that with the next competitor, so phoenixroofing.com. Open up their keywords here. We can do a sort from most expensive to least expensive and get another list of keywords that we could potentially run some ads on there. So that's basically it. I don't want to beat a dead horse because it's pretty straightforward to find these higher CPC keywords. It's finding lower CPC keywords that tends to be more of a challenge, even though I wouldn't necessarily recommend trying that strategy because, like I was saying before, if someone's willing to spend $15, $20 on a click, it probably means that the traffic is high quality because Google Ads is an auction. And so the more people are willing to bid up these cost per clicks for these keywords, usually the better the results come from that traffic. So I hope you found that helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.